Hello everyone, welcome to Real Class. All right, in this very class, we'll continue with consonant sounds under spoken English, otherwise referred to as oral English. And we are in another sound. We refer to this very one as G sound. Remember earlier we had said that this is G sound. All right. Remember, if you don't put this slash, it is just a normal letter. But if you put this slash, it has become a sound. All right. So this is G sound. All right. Regardless of whatever spelling you find, the sound. All right. G. This is how it is represented. Now we have them in the following spellings. Okay. Now this is normal J. All right. And under normal J, we have the words joy. The J here sounds G. So it is joy. By way of transcription, I'll have something like this G. And this is oil sound. All right. When I do it like this, then that's the transcription of joy. All right. Again, we have another one, James. We have James. James. All right. It sounds G. And I've told you this is G sound. Doesn't matter how it comes, provided it sounds G. All right. This is the phonetic symbol. Then we have Jag. Jag. All right. Under Jag, it is still G sound as you find here right now. All right. Then we have July. July. July is still J sound, all right, as you find here right now. Then that's for, under J. Then we talk about the letter G, all right, that sounds G too, all right. So here we have age, 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 not egg, all right, that's age. The G there sounds as G, all right. Yes, remember that anytime you find this sound, it is not G, it is G. All right. Yes, but this is G sound, and we have varieties of words that have that sound. You could have a word that has a G letter that still sounds G. Example is age. Then we have rage, rage, which is anger. All right, it means anger. Rage. Then we have strange, strange. Under strange, we still have this. All right. Then we have some words that have DG pronounced as G too. Here we have fridge. Fridge is the G sound. Fridge. So here we have a case of fridge. All right. Then we have bridge. Bridge too. All right. All of them have this same sound here. All right. Same phonetic symbol. Then we have judge. Judge. All right. Judge. That's that. Then we now look at this here. This phonetic symbol is called ng sound. Ng. All right. Ng. And when you find this sound, you find it in N before K. Anytime you have N before K, this is how you transcribe it. N before K. Or when you have N and G together, ending a word, this is the phonetic symbol that will be needed. All right. Now you see N before K. I told you it is ng sound. That's how to pronounce it. Bang, ng, bang, bang. It is not like normal N sound. This is not N or ng. All right. So if you have N before K, this is the phonetic symbol you're going to use. So bang, bang. So if I want to transcribe, I can have something like this. All right. Bang. All right. See how it is here. So that's that. Then we have a stank. Stank. All right. Then we have stink. Stink. The same thing there. Stink. Then what about N before G? N before G, we still receive that sound. The same thing. Sing. When N comes before G, never you pronounce the G. All right. Don't pronounce the G as G. All right. Don't. Anytime you find N before G, don't pronounce the G sound. End it in the ng sound. So you have sing, not I am sing, not sing. Don't pronounce it as sing. It's sing. You sing, I sing. All right. So you have this here, sing, N and G together, represented with this. So if I want to transcribe, I'll forget about the G or sound there. I'll have this. All right. Then we have long. It was a long time ago, not long. Never you pronounce the G sound there. Long, long. N and G there transcribed like this. All right, that's what you find. Then we also have this word long or wrong. What's wrong with you? Wrong, not wrong, wrong, wrong. All right, wrong. Then away from there, you still have song. Are you sing a song? Not song. No word like song, but song. All right. Yes, and we still have other ones there like blink. All right. Remember, I told you that when N comes before K, you still pronounce it as represented with this phonetic symbol here. All right. Then we have think, think. All right, think. You have N before K and then sing, sing. All right. Then we have the past participle form of sing, which is sung, sung, sung. The song was sung. The song was sung long time ago. The song was sung a long time ago. Then you have this ring, ring, your wedding ring, not wedding ring. All right, wedding ring is ring. All right, so song, then ring, then king, king. All right, king, king, not king. All right, so that's that. We are going to look at other phonetic symbols in our next class.